Welcome to the BVQSS CPT platform. When you're invited to join, you'll receive an invite tenant notification email like the one shown here. Open the email and you'll find a notification action button. Click the notification action button. This will take you to the account setup page. This is where you'll set up your organization's dedicated workspace. Once you've filled in the name, your email address, subdomain, and password, click the Create Tenant button at the bottom. This will complete your account setup, and you'll be able to access your new workspace on the platform. Congratulations and welcome aboard.
Welcome to the BVQSS Construction Progress Tracker, powered by Brown's Valuation and Quantity Surveying Services. This platform is designed to give you a clear, real-time view of your construction projects. Let's get started. Simply enter your registered email address and password on the secure login screen and click Login. Upon logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your central hub for overseeing all your projects. On the left, you have the main navigation menu, Task Management, Budget and Expense, Project Details, Team Members, and Reports. At the top of the main panel, you get a high-level summary, total tasks, total expense incurred, and the overall progress percentage for the currently selected project. Below, you can quickly see recent tasks assigned and a list of your recent projects. To the right, the project status chart provides a visual breakdown of tasks by their current stage, pending, in progress, on hold, or complete. A core feature of the dashboard is the ability to easily switch focus between different projects. See the drop-down menu in the upper right corner? Right now, it's displaying data for this specific project. Let's change the view. Click the drop-down and select the next project. Instantly, the entire dashboard updates. Notice how the metrics for total tasks, total expense, and total progress have changed to reflect the project specifically. Let's get started with the BVQSS Construction Progress Tracker. First, enter your registered email and password on the login screen. Now, click Sign In. This will take you directly to your main dashboard. The dashboard provides a quick overview of your activity. If you need to add your first project, a prompt might appear. Otherwise, you'll see summaries like total tasks, expenses, and progress, along with recent activity lists. To begin managing specific projects, navigate to the Projects section using the menu on the left-hand side. This is your main projects page, listing all current projects. To add a new one, click the Add Project button located in the top right. Click inside the box to browse your computer for the file. Now navigate through your computer's file system. Here we're going into Documents, finding the relevant project folder and select your file. Once selected, click Open. The selected file name appears in the Upload window. Verify it's the correct file, and then click Confirm. Excellent. You'll see a File Uploaded Successfully notification. The system automatically redirects you to the Details page for the newly added project. Some project details might be pre-filled from your Excel file, but you'll need to complete the rest. Let's start by entering the project address. Fill in the employer section. For the nature of projects, you can simply copy and paste it for consistency. Click the calendar icon next to Start Date and select the appropriate date. From the drop-down menu, you have the option to select an assignee. It'll be John Doe for this example. Once you confirm the project information is correctly filled, you can click the Update Project button to save your changes. Scroll down the project page. Below the main details, you'll find the Bills section. To view the specific items within a section, click the ellipsis under Action and choose View Details. A powerful feature here is creating tasks directly from BOQ items. To do this, select the checkbox next to the specific line item you want to create a task for, like this, and then click the Create Task button. You'll see a Task Created Successfully notification. Now, let's navigate to the Task Management section using the left side menu to see the task we just created. This quick guide will help you get started with managing user roles and team members. To manage user access levels, navigate to the Roles Management section in the left-hand menu and click on it. Here you can define different roles like clerk, clients, contractors, and manager. To see or edit the specific permissions for a role, simply click the drop-down arrow next to its name. Expanding a role reveals a detailed list of permissions grouped by category, such as task keywords, budget, project, role, task, and team. You can use the toggle switches to grant or revoke specific capabilities for anyone assigned this role. You can customize these defaults or add new roles entirely using the Add Role button at the top right. Once your roles and their permissions are defined, let's move on to managing the individuals on your team. Click on Team Members in the left navigation bar. The Team Members page displays a list of all users associated with the currently selected project. You can see their name, email, assigned role, contact information, status, and available actions. To add a new person to your team, click the Add Member button located in the top right corner. A pop-up window will appear. Start by entering the new team member's full name. Next, provide their email address, which they'll likely use to log in. Then, set an initial password for their account. You can use the eye icon to toggle the password's visibility to ensure accuracy. Now, assign a role to this member using the Select Role dropdown. This links the user to the set of permissions we reviewed earlier. We'll choose Clerk for this example. Finally, enter their contact phone number. Once all the information is correctly entered, you would click the Submit button to create the new team member account. That covers the basics of roles management and adding team members in BVQSS CPT. Explore these sections further to customize your project's access control. Let's explore task management, how tasks link to budget and expenses, and how to visualize progress in task reports. We're starting on the Tasks Management screen. This screen lists your project tasks. To view or modify the details of a specific task, simply click the eye icon under the Actions column. This takes you to the Task Detail page. Here you can edit various aspects of the task. Let's start by refining the task name for more clarity. We'll add column excavation to the beginning of the existing name. Click the calendar icon and select the appropriate date. Similarly, set the end date using the calendar. Navigate to the correct month if needed and select the date. We'll set this task to end on May 10th. Click into the Budget Allocated field. Enter the amount allocated for this specific task. We'll input $14,000. Once you've made your changes, click the Update Task button. A confirmation message will appear at the top right, indicating the task was updated successfully. Navigate to the Budget and Expense section. Notice the total budget arch amount now reflects the $14,000 we just allocated to the task. Since no expenses have been logged against it yet, total expense is 0, and the budget left is the full $14,000. To visualize task timelines, head over to Task Reports in the navigation menu. The Task Reports section provides a calendar or Gantt chart view of your tasks. You can see our updated task, hovering over the taskbar. Reveals a tooltip with key details like the exact start and end dates and the task's duration. This demonstrates how you can manage individual task details, allocate budgets, and view task schedules within the BVQSS CPT platform. Thank you for watching. Welcome to the BVQSS Construction Progress Tracker, powered by Brown's Valuation and Quantity Surveying Services. This platform is designed to give you a clear, real-time view of your construction projects. Let's get started. Simply enter your registered email address and password on the secure login screen and click Login. Upon logging in, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your central hub for overseeing all your projects. On the left, you have the main navigation menu, Task Management, Budget and Expense, Project Details, Team Members, and Reports. At the top of the main panel, you get a high-level summary. Total tasks, total expense incurred,